Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, game bar not opening on Windows 10. First method is, click Start button, Settings. Click Gaming. Turn on, game bar. Close and exit. Second method is, open browser. Copy the URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Right-click Start button, click Run, type WinVer. Check version and click proper download link. Select Microsoft Software Download Service. Select Edition. Click Confirm. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Small Icons. Click System. My system is 64-bit based system. (32-bit or 64-bit download, my computer is 64-bit. File is downloading. Open, download file. Click Yes to continue. Click I accept. The updates are being installed. Installation complete. Click Restart now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.